Welcome to the Training Matrix. This is the brain of the Biz Trainer system. It's a training requirement map sorted by customizable company roles on the left and by customizable training topics up above. Here, you can choose, for example, all pipe fitters to have this topic, this, that, and this topic as R for required training. Any courses or forms within that topic will be sent to users with that company role. You can also set it to O for optional training or L for location-specific training. You can keep track of everything here in the Reporting tab. Here you can easily see if an employee has completed training and when, plus when the requirement will expire, if a topic is about to expire for someone, or if training has yet to be completed. You can also take training a step further by creating a custom certification program. You can set it to have as few or as many levels as you'd like and include online courses for theory, instructor-led classroom courses plus practicum or supervised hours, and a final competency evaluation by a supervisor. Yeah, there's lots to dive into in the Training Matrix. Reach out to book your demo and get started.